I wanted to talk to you guys right now, so here I am. Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Yum. I help women reach their pre-op and post-operative surgery, beauty, and business goals through Body and by linking them with other industry-leading businesses and resources. Okay, so here I am pre-op. Saying I'm gonna go through these clothes. Now Bougie thinks it's a bed. Every time I come in this office to pack, I start working instead. It's about midnight. I have to leave my house in 5 hours to catch my flight, and I'm still not packed, okay? I'm sitting here designing Body products to bring with me on my flight. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Opening up a pair of socks. So, yeah, I'm a procrastinator. I'm tired. Like, I don't know why I'm not packed. I have so many things to pack, especially when it comes to my electronics. Not so much even my surgery supplies because I don't need so much. It's 1 a.m. and I have to leave my house in 4 hours. I wanted to show you guys that I'm packing some loose dresses. And a couple of them are long sleeve as well, since I am going to be in arm sleeves. And most of my tops are actually button-up tops. Some kind of cute outfits, if I do say so myself. 2 sets of arm sleeves. My surgeon will give me the surgical bra. 2 pairs of Body compression socks. These are my gifts. These are really toiletries, pajamas. I do have, of course, brand new Hibiclins and also this bag, extra stuff that I may or may not need. These iron sachets, some allergy meds in here, a whole bunch of crap. But I also have some wound wash just in case I need it. Bactine. Probably don't need both. Like Airborne in case I get sick. Pedialyte for electrolytes. This bottle of vitamin C was running low. I just filled it with all the vitamins that I've been taking. I have cough drops in here. Of course, you want to have your toothbrush, your toothpaste, face wash, body wash. I swear by wipes, so I have vaginal wipes, regular wipes, body wipes. I'll be showering, but just to have them, just in case I need to like wipe myself down or whatever. I'm a fatty. That hurt. So I have some gummy bears, pre-surgery Ensure, these high protein Ensures. This soup, arnica tea, English breakfast, and Irish breakfast for the morning. Speaking of arnica, I have arnica cream. Bromelain for after to help with inflammation. My blood pressure cuff for vitals, along with a thermometer and some probes. Needle and syringes in case I need it. A ton of gloves. Multiple Juven packets. If you need to be taking Juven for wound healing, you need 2 a day. So I have enough to last me for every day in case I need it. I have tape, I have alcohol, gauze, a big can of Lysol, coronavirus, slides. You definitely want to have slides with a good grip at the bottom. You don't slip and fall, so I'm packing my slides. 4:14 a.m. Lots of bags. I have not been to sleep yet. I have to leave my house by 4:45 and it's 4:15 now. So, I'm gonna take a shower. Load up my car, get on the road, and get my coffee, period. 4:40. It's way too late to get cute. Gotta go. I've helped tens of thousands of women along their cosmetic surgery journey specifically, and I'd love to know how I could help you and or your loved one too. Feel free to comment below or inquire about my services on my website.